Our daughter was born with the same conditions like us.
Has osteogenesis imperfecta. We were not trying at all to get pregnant.
Yeah, like when you're in a relationship, sometimes stuff just happens.
Daisy and Edward have bones as fragile as glass. They can fracture almost every time they sneeze. Even so, they enjoy a harmonious married life. Without taking any contraceptive measures, Daisy fell pregnant unexpectedly, despite doctors warning that their child would inherit osteogenesis imperfecta. With a 100% certainty, Daisy insisted on carrying the baby to term. The couple even hoped to have a son later on. As predicted, their daughter was born with the same brittle bone disease. She had to be fed through a tube and suffered repeated fractures during her hospital stay, enduring constant agonizing pain until she was discharged at the age of 1. The couple posted short videos documenting the pregnancy risks and their daughter's lengthy hospital ordeal